Hi friends, I am Sujit from IP Texel School. Now we are discussing the problem. I have the data and I want to show this data on the chart. So I have also applied the total here, the sum of the numbers. So I want to apply on this chart. So how can apply this chart? So if we have select, if you remember when you use the chart, do not select your total in the charts. Now we have also used this data, but I want to show with contribution. So we have second side the cluster chart. When the cluster chart we have select, and here is the element we have show the data table. So my data table show here. Okay, now I want to show the data here. So go to element and show the your data label. So data label is showing here. But I want to go to the more option. Here is a no option to percent. No have value, show the percent. But I want to show the percent, not a numbers. So how can you show that? So we have first calculate here. So we have select this data in another table. Just link here. You can also use the copy paste. But I have choose show the link here. And now we have divide from that's total. And before the entering here, we have apply the dollar symbol on the formula. Now we have drag down here. And we have apply the percentage. Now I want to show the percent here, not a value. So we have select and go to the data label. And with data label, go to the more options and we have removed the value here. Once again, uh, go to the element, the label, so the data label, more options, and pick from the cell. We have select the label range and press the oh sorry. We have select the is a monthly, select the month, and now press the OK. So here percentage. We have also changed the color here, and one by one you have select the go to the cell from the value and select the second. First is the Uday. Uh, pink like the Mohan. Okay, one by one. Select the OK. And also select the second one and go to the value from the cell and select the Kavita. And third, we have select here, go to the from cell and select the Inder. We have select the Inder. That's the OK. You can also select your value from the another cell, but remember your data will be sequential and copy it. Okay. Now I want to hide this data. But when you have select and try to hide, your chart is not showing. So I don't want to see the data. So we have two ways. First, you have changed your color, text color from the white font and also remove the no border. So data will be appear here, but nobody show here. Yeah, otherwise you have make the data for different chart, different sheets, and also make the chart from the different sheet. Copy the chart, cut and paste chart to different sheet. So we have two ways. So we have show the numbers, but show the data in the percentage. But you can also apply the one thing, another thing. See, we have the second chart have a cluster chart, a 100% cluster chart. And now we have select a data label. In the data label, go to the data label options. Now, but here is a no percentage symbol. No percentage symbol. But we also pick from the another way. So the calculation of this problem, so we have calculate the percentage the another table and one by one select and go to the cell element and label or data label options, more options, and go to the value from range and one by one you have selected here. And you want to remove, you want to hide your chart. So if you try to hide row and column, your chart is not appear. So we have two way. We have copy this chart and paste to the another sheet. Otherwise, you have select your data and apply the font color just like a background color, and also remove the border to no border. Your data is not shown here. Also, you can also same on this. Then we have applied. Okay, thank you.